Hello and welcome to the Mendix app tutorial. So if you're starting with a brand new app, you will create a Mendix app, and we will have a video later on how to show you how to add it to an existing app. But essentially you will want to download several components, and you may already have these components downloaded on your other application. You'll first download Community Commons, and then you're going to download the MX model reflection. After you download the MX model reflection, you're going to download encryption. Once you download encryption, you're going to download user commons. After you download user commons, you're going to do some error handling by updating widgets, as well as changing the forms from grids to grid 2. And that will get rid of most of your errors, and the last error just needs to be updated. This is for, again, new applications. Existing applications may already have these dependencies and these modules updated. And then, of course, you need to download the OIDC SSO module. This is how we will be connecting to the IDP. We will be getting some errors again, but they will quickly be handled by downloading the events widget. Once you download the events widget, that will allow you to handle these errors. Just make sure you click on those. Finally, we're going to create some roles, anonymous and admin, and you can essentially configure these as you'd like. We have longer videos that go through the process, but for the sake of this video, we're going to skip the user configuration. The user created page will have a few things to keep account of, so we will monitor these errors accordingly, usually having to do with the roles of the page or the roles of the user. And then we will go ahead and create a login page. Again, existing apps will already have a login page, and this configuration is up to each developer. So we will be skipping this, and it's available in the longer video. Just a few quick notes for setup. Make sure you're setting up the appropriate users and the navigation pages and the encryptions, etc. Again, I recommend watching the longer video, which goes through all the steps, step by step. However, this again allows you to have some customizability when configuring your OIDC page for your multiple different use cases. Customer onboarding, employee onboarding. Now is the time when you can customize those permissions, those lengths, those users, etc. Once the OIDC is configured, you will have your page, and you will be required to perform a few more setup tactics, particularly setting up your application with the IDP side, so you're able to get your client ID, your client secret, as well as setting up the callbacks for your application. This stage is very important. However, if you are familiar with OIDC endpoints, it's very similar. For us, we have some scopes that can be customized and some other features that can be customized to your use case. Finally, we will be making the login button, and then we will see that the application is working end to end. Thank you.